The Alltul Multi-Tools. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Alltul Multi-Tools by KeySmart. They come in a variety of shapes and have various tools on them. The company sent this out for me to review. And as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. There are 6 different designs that have an animal theme to it. Each tool has anywhere from 4 to 6 tools and are made of metal. The tools are very small and portable. They can be easily attached to your keychains or stored in your wallet or bags. They can be purchased individually or as a package on the website. The first one is the Wolf, and this one has 5 tools. You have the wrench, flathead, Phillips head, bottle opener, and box opener. It feels very durable and solid. And this is just a size comparison to your standard key for reference. The Raptor is next, and this one has 6 tools. You have the Phillips head, carabiner, hex wrench, steel cutter, bottle opener, and flathead. The bottom portion for the cutter opens and closes very smooth, and it feels tight. And you can see the carabiner here. And size-wise, it's fairly small. The Owl has 4 tools, and it has the following: a bottle opener, wrench, spoke, and a crowbar. It's about the same size as the Wolf, and it feels solid as well. Just a little bit bigger than your standard keys. The Bear is next with 4 tools. It has a Phillips head, a wrench, bottle opener, and a flathead. It has a nice compact size as well. The Dino, this one has 5 tools: Phillips head, bottle opener, wrench, letter opener, and a flathead. And again, here is a size comparison for reference. And finally, the Shark, which has 4 tools. It has a bottle opener, wrench, flathead, and a Phillips head. This one is the slimmest of them all. And now just a quick demonstration with the Phillips head using the Raptor. These multi-tools are very handy to have and can be easily attached to your keychains, carry in your wallets, or bags. They are perfect for having in an emergency to tackle small tasks. They are inexpensive and very durable. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.